Curious about how labs achieve precise heat treatments? Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into Labzee's furnaces and their crucial role in offering controlled heating for a variety of laboratory and industrial applications. Labzee's furnaces offer accurate heat distribution for materials, ideal for metal treatment, sintering, and thermal analysis with adjustable temperature settings. In materials science, furnaces are used for heat-treating metals, ceramics, and composites. In research labs, they're crucial for sintering and thermal testing. Regular cleaning and temperature calibration ensure optimal performance. Labzee furnaces are designed for ease of use and precision. Specifications of Labzee furnaces. Atmosphere furnace. Up to 1700 degrees Celsius. Muffle furnace. Up to 1700 degrees Celsius. Tube furnace. Up to 1700 degrees Celsius. Visit Labzee to explore our range of furnaces.